we're gonna do, that's gonna be disconnected the actual plug. So now there's no power going to the unit. Once you do that, we're gonna go ahead and lose all the connections. Okay, and then this normally comes with an L bracket, but because we have a new HVAC, a new garbage disposal that doesn't have the same mounting, it doesn't come with one, so you're gonna have to improvise. And you can just put this in here like that, and then just move it to the left, and he automatically unscrews it. Once you unscrew it, then you get it out of the water, get the hose out, and the garbage disposal is out. Now we do the same thing. However, before that, this has a new mounting bracket that doesn't look anything like this one. And as you see, it's a different mounting bracket. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pause, and then I'm gonna mount. We're gonna take this off, and then we're gonna mount the new bracket. So pause for it. Once you loosen it, then you see this ring that goes around here. There's a ring right there. You're gonna take a knife and you pop it just like this, and that comes off. This is the one that you're trying to get off this groove right here. Once you do that, you just pop it out, and then that's it. Some people use plumber's putty. I don't like plumber's putty. I like gas sealant. So what I do is I put a slight gasket sealant covering on it. And what it does is actually seals the rubber gasket to this part without making a mess in the sink. And that's how I like to do that. So put that in. And I'll drop the new gasket up, and I'll do the same thing to the other side. The next part we do is take this. We try to line it up so the names will be facing each other. Just like that. Sink side. Back side. This is the dishwasher drain plug. If you don't take this plug off before you install it, when the dishwasher empties, the water ain't gonna have nowhere to go.
Garbage disposal?
So you have to take this plug off of the dishwasher end side. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is take this part off. This one. that goes in there, and then you just twist it until the ears touch. That's it. You take this, put it back on. Last thing you do, plug in the fuse. This is the drain cap. This goes in here just like this. And then the stuff goes through there, okay?
Okay.
And then this is the water cap. So the first thing we're doing is putting the water cap on. We're gonna turn the water on. And we're gonna make sure this seal right here is not leaking. So now we just come back down here and we look. So we have no leaks on the main seal. So the next thing we do is take the cap off. I have the water running it. And then we check for leaks on the pipes. No, for